This is another great product from Rough Road Equipment. You know, there's lots of MOLLE panels in the market and it's also not a new concept. We developed that a little further for the Grenadier. 3 strong attachment points into the factory OEM rail. And then we have 2 different versions of attachment points for the upper part. This is the LeTech roof rack, and that requires a specific upper mounting point. And you see we have here a lot of holes, and that allows us to shift the carrier into the position where we need it. And if you have the OEM crossbars, we also have an attachment point which grabs directly into that bar. If you are using other roofed carriers and you need a specific location where you can go to your OEM crossbar, that's also possible because you can shift it here on top. They are made of a really high strength aluminum, powder coated with a very rough surface, and you have different slots for your airline track accessories, but also MOLLE panel pattern. The beauty is, if you replace those here with turning knobs, you can also use the top mounting point on the OEM crossbar to lift it up to clean the window behind. That is something you need to decide if you go for the standard ones or for a star knob. That helps you to keep the car clean. Overall, it's carrying a lot of load, so if you want to carry some water canisters, if you want to carry sand ladders, that's all no problem. Because of the strong connecting points, it's really holding up very good even in strong and hard off-road situations.